Welcome everyone. Welcome back to our episode of Time Capsule Season 3. Today we have with us someone very special, someone who is here to share his entrepreneurial journey and someone who made waves in Shark Tank Season 3. We have the co-founder of Eatverse, Adarsh Chaudhary. How are you, sir?
I'm good.
So, sir, I want to start with the basics and background. So, you co-founded Eatverse with two of your friends, Harsh and Pulkit.
Yes.
So, like you were schoolmates, and after that, you decided to become business partners. So, what was your journey like for these both friends to business partners? How exactly that happened?
So basically, while I was growing up, I always wanted to do something on my own and wanted to just be an entrepreneur that used to thrive me. And so we used to go to restaurants with my family. We used to eat. So numbers used to be playing in my head. So I always wanted to do something on my own. And then it was in the year 2014, and while I was preparing for my MBA in Hyderabad, Nika, and I was with my brothers. I, I was preparing for my CAP and other entrance examinations. And then that idea struck me back then that even alcohol used to be delivered during that time in Hyderabad. Right? खाना भी तो होता ही था. So I just thought that late night delivery में Calcutta में उस समय there was no restaurants used to deliver. Late night छोड़ो, even during lunch and dinner there were no restaurants used to deliver. मेरे को भी इतना इंस्टेंस होते थे कि my dad used to tell me to go to a particular restaurant and take
Yes.
food. So मैं भी कुछ खाना लेके जाते थे for my parents and for us. So then of course I think when you are doing an entrepreneurship journey, partners बहुत मैटर करते हैं, trust बहुत मैटर करते हैं, other skills can be acquired, other skills are there जो आप ले सकते हो, आप सीख सकते हो, but trust you cannot just gain it like that, right? So मेरे को लगता है कि trust ही सबसे बड़ा चीज होता है जो बहुत differentiating होता है सब चीज में, and with trust anything can be done. So Harsh and Pulkit are my very close friends from school. We know each other's like since more than 18-19 years now. बचपन से हम लोग साथ में स्कूल में थे, and Harsh was 1 year junior to me, and he used to go to my school this like go to the school by the same bus. हम लोग best friends थे, so we were neighbors also. So and Pulkit was my classmate. So yes, that's how the journey started. We all three friends we were on the same page of starting something similar in food. So they agreed to my idea and then we started.
So, this was primarily your idea.
Yes.
Okay, great. So, like, because हमारे most of the viewers college students,
Yes.
so how important it is to have that right set of people and right set of friends, because आपने भी अपने school से ही start किया था.
Yes.
So, how important do you think it is to have that right set of people in our life from school, from college itself?
I think that's the most important thing I would say. The group, the friend group, the peer group which whom you are closely working with, whom you are hanging out with. I think make few friends, make good friends, make them वैसा होना चाहिए कि आप जब भी कुछ भी आपको help चाहिए हो, they are there for you.
So, sir, I read somewhere that you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with the most.
Yes.
So, and I think आज के time पे सिर्फ not only the 5 people, but also the content you consume and the movies and series you watch also impact your decisions and what you think and shape your life. So, do you think that this is true?
So there is no right and wrong answer for this. कुछ नहीं होता है, मतलब there are things which you would want to enjoy and relax. So as a adult, as a human being, you can cherish the moments. You can watch anything you want to, but there is a limit and there is something which one should be aware about on how that can be detrimental or that can be beneficial. But one should enjoy the moment. Life है, enjoy करना चाहिए. There is ऐसा नहीं है कि आप आए हो तो बस आपको एक रूल बुक दे दिया है and आपको 10 रूल बता दिया है and you just follow the rules. That's not how it works. I think जो बहुत ज्यादा रूल्स से बाउंडेड होता है, मेरे को लगता है कि they won't perform the way they should. So जैसे this college, right, the TF is so supportive or he's so hands down on so many things. The numbers are shared everywhere.
Yes.
So उससे I just take a small leaf out of this thing is one should it's freedom मिलता है ना तो how ज़्यादा perform करते हैं. So there should not be any particular rule book saying this thing. Do's and don'ts नहीं होता है जगह पे. तो मेरे को लगता है कि दिल का सुनना चाहिए जो मेरे को लगता है I've been doing it since my childhood. मैं दिल का ही सुना and we don't know what happens in the future. Just give your best and just listen to what your heart says and give your 100%. I'm sure results will also come the way.
Fine. Sir, you said that it is important to have fun also.
Yes,
But you are an entrepreneur for a very long time. You are managing a business.
yes,
Not only business, you're managing a successful business, multi-brand cloud kitchen. So obviously that takes a lot of time. That takes a lot of energy. So how do you manage that first वाला element in your life? और उसके साथ साथ काम, उसके साथ साथ family. How do you manage it?
I mean सब हो जाता है. मुझको लगता है कि managing the things आपके हाथ में है. And of course I've taken that part. And entrepreneurs आप हो या फिर आप कोई भी profession में हो, life is safe or everything. I think there should be a right balance also for all the things. But मेरे केस में तो मेरे को लगता है कि I am not very good in balancing things out. Right, and when work comes to me, my first priority because that gives me a better sleep in the night. So yes, right balance is required, and I try to take out time every day and make sure that I don't put my head on the work that time. Spend my time with my family, and it's not very tough to do. And हो जाता है balance.
So it's like basically आप कहाँ पे देना चाहते हो सबसे ज्यादा टाइम. And I think you said कि work gives me a good sleep.
Yes.
So वो last में at the end of the day वो satisfaction मिलता है कि आज मैंने इतना काम किया. So now I have done the productivity which I was meant to do today, so I could sleep properly. बस
Yeah.
I think personally मेरे साथ भी वैसे होते हैं. If there is some days I'm not that productive, at the end of the day वो regret रह जाता है कि आज मैं कर सकती थी, मैंने नहीं किया बाहर.
हाँ मतलब of course you just evaluate every day, work hard every day.
Sir, one thing which I wanted to ask that you and your friends started this startup in Kolkata.
Yes.
But बहुत सारे students हैं, not only student, बहुत सारे लोग जो job कर रहे हैं, जो business चालू करना चाहते हैं, they think that Kolkata does not give them the right environment to start a business or to grow in their career exponentially. What is your take on this, Mahesh?
See, of course, if someone is an option to start something in a different city, for example, I'm sure you are trying to say Bangalore, Mumbai, Gurgaon in that case. I'm sure numbers are better there for sure. But ये नहीं है इसका बोलने ये मतलब नहीं कि one cannot start a standard. The numbers are always higher in on those cities because the consumption is higher.
Hi.
But I would not agree with the fact that one cannot become a good entrepreneur from Calcutta. That is something which is totally baseless for me because consumption यहाँ पे भी है. But हाँ आप ये बोल सकते हो कि consumption यहाँ पे थोड़ी कम है. So there is room for improvement in the consumption space. But entrepreneurs Calcutta क्यों? छोटा सा टाउन से भी बन सकता है. ये एक्सक्यूज हो जाएगा अगर कोई बोलेगा कि मैं कैलकाटा से स्टार्ट नहीं करना चाहता. कैलकाटा में डिमांड कम है बिकॉज आपको डिमांड जितना भी है आपको उस पाई से लेना है डिमांड और वो पाई आपको मिलेगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स वेयर देयर आर मेनी products which can be shipped across the country, right? So why would a city be something which can be a bottleneck or can be a hindrance? I think that is something which is very I don't find it very logical. And of course there are cities in India which has higher capabilities. Technology per se, I would say Bangalore is a better place to start for technology per se. Maybe the talent could be good there. Yes, for some technology-driven companies or for some companies which where resources are scarce here, for them I would say it can be a valid point. But yes, not for every industry I can say.
So basically, it's the will that matters more than the place. If you have the will, I think you can do business from anywhere around the world, not only India.
Yeah, it's the will, it's the optimism, it's the uh, positive approach
Yes.
throughout the journey. Yeah, because entrepreneurs, we don't do things differently. That's the attitude of the entrepreneur
Are different.
are different.
Exactly.
So the attitude matters a lot. The strength of the entrepreneur is not from the outside, it's from the within. So yes, that I would say.
So while you're on this topic, on Shark Tank, we got to know that you started your brand with only 10,000 rupees.
Yes.
And people often think that like बहुत ज्यादा पैसा होगा तो ही हम एक ब्रांड चालू कर सकते हैं, तो ही हम एक बिजनेस कर सकते हैं. तो they get stuck in that mindset. So what was your initial journey look like? सिर्फ 10,000 से चालू करके, and what was your main focus with that such small amount?
So देखो, when I wanted to execute this idea, मेरे को ज़्यादा रिस्क भी नहीं लिया. So I didn't know that कितना market है.
Exactly.
So I tied up with a small joint in sector 5.
Okay.
And मैं सिर्फ खाना लेके बेचा था पहला start.
अच्छा.
So I got the containers printed from with the name of Santa Delivers. That was the first brand which we started. Santa Delivers नाम था, we took it from Batman Delivers जो दिल्ली में हुआ करता था.
Okay.
तो Santa Delivers आया था कि वो भी रात को जाता है Santa Claus. तो Santa Delivers आ गया.
Very good
So
idea.
we tied up with a small joint in Sector 5 and हमारे को सिर्फ कंटेनर्स का जो पैसा लगा था वो इन्वेस्टमेंट था. तो we spent I still remember we got 10,000 leaflets printed. That was $6,000.
Okay.
That was the investment and containers जो 4,000 रुपया का था. So that was the total investment and हम ऑर्डर लेते थे और खाना का ऑर्डर आता था. We used to place the orders and markup करते थे and खाना pick up करते थे. So basically we were Swiggy and Zomato for that joint. I mean of course मैं ये बोलूंगा कि आपको जुगाड़ू होना पड़ेगा. हो सकता है कि कोई अब नहीं चाहेगा खाना लेके करवाए because वो लोग भी स्विगी जोमेटो में, बट क्या पता कोई और भी हो. बट there are ways where you can try out things. आपको बस पैशन होना पड़ेगा कि आप कुछ कर सकते हो ट्राई. एंड मुझे लगता है कि पॉसिबल है. मे बी फिगर ऊपर नीचे वो it's not about the money after all. It's about the passion and about how badly you want to do it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, sir, like you went to Shark Tank, you represented your company. When you were going for the pitch, what was going on in your mind? And if you have to rate your nervousness level from the scale of 1 to 10, how nervous you are?
So yes, I was very nervous initially. जब वो जो Shark Tank का आवाज आता है, वो असली में भी बजता है.
Oh,
So
okay.
enter करते हो तो of course when you are listening it सिर्फ टीवी में सुन रहे हो तो it's like I mean एक तो when you are there for 3 days पहला 2 दिन you just feel like यार क्या हो रहा है, shoot and everything, makeup so कुछ तो डिफरेंट होता है. एक आप टीवी में आओगे तो मेरे को लगता है कि एक सब टाइम होता है. It was a very nervous moment for all of us, but जब वहाँ गए ना और जब पिच स्टार्ट किए ना, जब पिच एंड हुआ ना, फिर जब खाना खिलाया उसके बाद सब नर्वस चला गया. तो मेरे को वहाँ पे फिर क्वेश्चंस जो पूछे आंसर किया, फिर उसके बाद आई वुड से दैट आई वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. नर्वस छोड़ो आप, वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. बट अगर आप शुरू का पूछोगे व्हेन आई वाज जस्ट तो मे बी यू वुड से दैट यस आई वाज नर्वस. ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10 मैं आपको ऐसे नंबर्स नहीं बता पाऊंगा, बट यस आई वुड से दैट आई वाज नर्वस. थोड़ा सा लग रहा था कि क्या होगा.
So, one thing which I personally found so unique about your pitch was that जो attire आप लोग ने carry किया था, पूरा authentic attire.
Yes.
And जो आप लोग का pitch का starting था,
Yes.
that horror element.
Yes, yes.
और उससे आइडिया भी नहीं लग रहा था कि कंपनी क्या suddenly the pitch started and everyone got to know.
Yeah.
So, who came up with that idea and how exactly you came up with that idea?
So basically वो जो pitch वाला रहता है ना, वो थोड़ा सा curated रहता है.
Okay.
Basically इतना ड्रामा तो हमको पता है. So it's a basically it's a thing which is decided by both so many actors.
Okay.
And, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो लोग बोलते हैं ये बोलो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Of course they wanted to just add some elements so that it looks better.
Right.
So वो element बस वो add किए थे. And otherwise pitch में what we wanted to cover, क्या करते हैं, ऐसे सब cover रहता है with some मसाला में. Attire को लेके if I would say we wanted to represent Bengal जैसा
Right.
जैसे आप wanted to पुलिस people सोचते हैं कि वो बाहर जाके
Right.
तो आपको लगा हम लोग को लगा कि क्यों नहीं कैलकाटा को पूरी फेमस करे, ईस्ट को फेमस करे कि यहाँ से भी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स टाइप कर सकते हैं. They can do wonders.
Yes. So we obviously do that. जो pitch में जो टीवी में दिखाता है सिर्फ उतना तो नहीं होता है. Pitch I think goes on for 1 hour or more than that. So what happens behind the scene? Can you suddenly sneak peek?
Yeah, so of course there's a lot of questions which are asked on the thing. सभी चीज पूछते हैं क्या करते हो, कैसे करते हो. वहाँ पे तो बस आपको स्टेज 15 मिनट में दिखाना होता है. तो
Yes.
basically they want to know everything about what is happening at your company and how it is happening. All the number crunching, हो सकता है बहुत सारी चीज numbers के related खाएंगे जो पूछा गया था. So it's all about the company, it's all about the journey which they want to know, and it takes time. Man, वो 1 hour, 1.5 hours चला होगा. I don't still remember the time because time that we don't wear a watch there, so time पे ना ध्यान नहीं रहता. But yes, it lasted for more than 1 hour, and it कब गया पता भी नहीं चला. So it was all about the company and all about the girls like industry and all questions related to that.
So sir, if any of our viewers want to go to Shark Tank,
Yes.
I think there is a rigorous selection process before the actual TV वाला चीज जो होता है. तो कैसे one can apply or what is the exact selection process which going on?
So basically, form होता है.
Okay.
Before the season, you just need to fill the form, decide, कुछ questions पूछता है. उसके बाद shortlist आता है. Then there is another form. So you have to share the video which का फिर shortlist आता है. फिर you just need to they do a physical round अपने internal team के साथ.
अच्छा.
So you have to Calcutta में मेरे टाइम पे Calcutta में नहीं हुआ था physical. We went to Delhi.
Okay.
दिल्ली में वो audition हुआ. Then उसमें आप select अगर होते हो, then they call you for the final round, which they don't even tell you. आपको पूरा एंड में बताते हैं कि आपको नेक्स्ट वीक ही जाना है.
Oh, okay.
एंड उसके बाद भी ऐसा नहीं कि if you have gone there and got yourself recorded, आप टीवी में आओगे, वो कुछ श्योरिटी नहीं.
Okay.
So in my time there were more than 200 something, 200 early 202 or 3 which went like for the recording with the Sharks, but 150 152 were on the team, right?
Okay.
तो आप सोचो एक तो 70,000 लोग
हाँ.
अप्लाई कर, 70,000 में से आप 200 में आ गए.
हाँ.
200 के बाद भी there are chances that you may not come on the TV, right?
Right.
So of course it's tough, but Shark Tank तो ठीक है. मतलब this is just one of the memories which one will make in our entrepreneur journey.
Exactly.
वो तो बस आपकी लाइफ में एक चैप्टर होता है. मेरे को लगता है there are many other chapters which will unfold, and Shark Tank में आना नहीं आना से मोटिवेट भी होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
I'm sure अगर मैं से मोटिवेट हो जाऊँ अपने Shark Tank में आ गया वो काम नहीं किया फिर my journey will end, right? Shark Tank will not come and tell me that आप चलाओ कंपनी. So it's just a journey with a different chapter. वो chapter खत्म हो गया बस अभी मेमोरीज है. It was a very good memory. Enjoy करके.
So, in your Shark Tank college, you also mentioned that it was a very difficult time for it was. But उस time भी आपके जो employees थे, they were with you and they were like हम लोग ऐसे आप जो कर रहे हैं जो आपको सही लग रहा है. So उनके time में exactly क्या योगा company, what you went to, mentally क्या आपके साथ हुआ, and the thing said that I'm sure that no one feels that.
Yes.
So I think that was the whole reason why everyone always in the toys was like, you want to stick with it, you want to be with it in your team. So what was your biggest frustration and your mother's frustration in that?
So of course it was a very tough time for all of us, and there were 8 locations, 1,000 members, and we were 150 strong team that time.
Okay.
And after COVID hit, our revenues were came down to 20%. तो
Okay.
समझ नहीं पा रहे थे कि कैसे चलाना है. And I still remember we were closed for 3 days between 26th of March to 28th of March. Well, employees were very scared of coming to our workspace.
Yes.
And I thank God, I'm very grateful to God कि हमारे team members को मोटिवेट करके वर्क प्लेस में बोले कि आप आओ प्लीज, काम करते हैं, इतना साल चलाए हम कंपनी को,
Yeah.
आप अगर नहीं आओगे, काम नहीं बनाओगे तो हम कैसे प्लान को बंद कर पाएंगे. एंड ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड कि वो वापस आए एंड काम किए. एंड आई एम इवन वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड कि हम उनको 100% सैलरी भी दे पाए. हमने 70% सैलरी दिया था उनको फॉर 9-10 months, and with the promise that we are going to pay the remaining 30% after things get normal. And हमने 2021 end तक सारे और remaining salaries we gave them. So it was a tough moment for all our restaurant fraternity. कि COVID में we had shut down from 8, हमने 5 बंद भी किए इस साल, and we came down to 3, and it was a tough moment to close down kitchens. But yes, as I said, that we learned many things with that experience. We learned to become more stronger, and we learned many processes जो हम aware नहीं थे. So yes, COVID ने life को थोड़ा tough बनाया था, but there were many positives also which we took it from.
I think that should be the whole perspective for everyone. The negative, maybe there are positive things. You have to find it, or maybe you will realize it after some time.
Yes.
But what it is giving you is learning, which
Yes.
is good to stay there for a life.
Yes.
So, I think since you are going to Shark Tank, can you give us 3 reasons why one should go to Shark Tank? The 3 reasons why one shouldn't go to Shark Tank.
See, reason why one shouldn't go to South End, there is no reason.
Okay.
And of course, it's a privilege for all the entrepreneurs to, showcase their product and showcase their talent in the national television, where the reach is very high. चीज why one should go is बहुत अच्छा विजिबिलिटी मिल जाता है, and it's a D2C brand जहाँ पे आप शिप कर सकते हो प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया. आपका सेल्स विल skyrocket once you add. तो वो तो एक एडवांटेज है, and then you get recognition across the country, your brand value increases. So of course there are many reasons why one should go to Shark Tank.
Okay, so basically, what should be the right time to go to Shark Tank for a good?
So once you are at least see, there is no right time वैसे, because the journey आप प्रोटोटाइप में भी जा सकते हो, आप फर्स्ट स्टेज में भी जा सकते हो, आप एक मैच्योर स्टेज में भी जा सकते हो. It depends on the journey honestly, because वो बहुत सब्जेक्टिव हो जाता है.
हाँ.
तो there is no right and wrong time. आपका टाइम आपको पता होना पड़ेगा कि when you want investors on board, when you really need funds, and that will depend on the journey of an entrepreneur.
So after going to Shark Tank, आप लोग के बिजनेस में भी राइज आया था?
हाँ, राइज आया था, बट मैं नहीं बोलूँगा बहुत राइज आया, बिकॉज वी आर लिमिटेड टू अ पर्टिकुलर सिटी, राइट. खाना है, राइट. आप देखिए, आप अगर देखोगे टीवी पे आपको सबसे वो नहीं हो जाएगा. तो इफ यू आर अ शू ब्रांड और फिर क्लोथिंग ब्रांड, तो आप फिर भी क्या पता ऑर्डर कर दोगे उसमें कि आपको अच्छा लगा तो आप ऑर्डर कर. बट खाना तो आप स्कूल करके आपको बुक होना पड़ेगा, राइट. बट यस, वी have done the branding all across our packaging, and everyone knows that we are featured on Shark Tank. That gives a brand appeal altogether.
So one more thing is a little controversial.
Yes.
Is that do you at any point of time spend that Shark Tank में sharks का ज़्यादा फायदा होता है than the companies who are making an appearance in Shark Tank?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I mean, everyone has their own share of uh, फायदा. मेरे को लगता है कि entrepreneurs are going to showcase their product and it's getting showcased in across the country. And of course, sharks are there all the time. They have more visibility because they are there, right?
Yeah,
बस तो 15 मिनट के लिए जाते हैं.
हाँ, exactly.
वो तो 1 घंटा के लिए रहते हैं across many weeks. There is no comparison as such कि वो ज्यादा फायदा है. I really don't think that there should be any comparison. But it's an visibility which no other thing can give you for free.
Exactly.
तो मेरे को लगता है कि इससे बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी आप चूज सकते हैं.
One thing is that आप लोग का जो वैल्यूएशन था that was 100 crore. You asked for 1 crore for one specific video. So if someone wants to find that valuation for their company, what process did you follow to find that valuation?
See, honestly, there are many individuals, CEOs and other companies who does the valuation.
Right.
So there is no right and wrong about valuation also because वो भी बहुत subjective होते हैं. How you see as a company, how far you can take it, how much scale you can take it to, and there is no right and wrong also.
Right. So since you own multi-brand Cloud Kitchen, I think Cloud Kitchen is a very good model of business, and many people are trying to get in this. So do you think this is the right time to get into this business?
See, of course, there is always a right time to enter in any kind of space, but it's a very challenging space, I would say. And your product and your SOP and your modus operandi should be very crisp and clear. You cannot just do it out of just शौक में कि हम करते हैं, खाना आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आपको खाना बेच रहे हैं. You have to be very good with all the numbers, how you want to do it, how you would scale it. मेरे को लगता है you have to do more research and just be very clear with what you want to do it. फिर करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, but tough है. जो दिखता है दूर से वैसा बहुत easy है.
हाँ, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि घर से खाना बना के just pack and deliver.
See, घर से तो obviously नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
अच्छा.
One cannot do it. वैसे घर से बहुत टफ हो जाता है. छोटा ऑपरेशन आप चला सकते हो घर से, but one has to rent out a commercial space and own it properly. अगर आपको properly business करना है, आप घर से आप कर सकते हो, एक घर से कर सकते हो, वो भी आप limited scope में करोगे, right? So वो टफ हो जाता है, मेरे को लगता है. That's not the right way to think. If you are thinking of doing a big brand, vision अगर बहुत बड़ा है तो one should think from a commercial point of view, right? One has to be very prepared and one has to know what they are accustomed to and be very updated so that कुछ तो problem नहीं हो. नहीं तो बहुत tough है because restaurants shut more than any other
business. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So, but I think the first step वो लेना सबसे ज़्यादा necessary is because that is the time you are feeling nervous, you're feeling scared. And after you take the first step, you realize that it is not something which is not doable. And I think in this whole conversation, you had a very positive outlook. And I'm very inspired by you and your business ideas. And even you are so positive about everything. So I'm very happy to have this conversation. And I hope that you like this.
Yeah, I really liked it. Thank you so much, Nippon College, for inviting me for this podcast. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.